Here is I put this plates on this snowmobile. I started it. Anyway, I put some sheet metal on here because this tin is really rusted out. As you can see, there's burn marks here where I tried to weld. I can't get no, even if I had my gas torch, I don't think I could get that. So anyway, I'm just gonna put it in as good as I can. I kind of put these in place. I might get a strip here and put it on top of here later. We'll see what happens. Because this is going to make it a lot sturdier. Anyway, I kind of tack welded this stuff on. I took and bent it in place, kind of shape it. So this is what instead of gas welding, I just used my arc welder. And I just been going slowly, like this. Hit some times. Can't get it too hot, it'll melt right through. So you just keep going, let it cool off a little bit. Hopefully you can see it. I'll start here a little bit too and go this way. Just kind of going in a circle motion each time, or a U-shaped, I guess. It seems to be holding pretty good. Pull off a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but I put a piece down here to cover that exhaust pipe on the bottom. I guess I don't know if you can see it or not. Anyway, I put those pieces in there to cover that up. I'm going to weld all that in to make it good and solid. And when I get done, I'm gonna take and grind that weldings down to and then put some Dynaglass in there. I'm gonna cut the glass. When I get smooth, I'm going to do some more welding on them. And when I get done with that, I'll show you how to put the Dynaglass on. It's a body filler type deal. It's a fiberglass. You put a hardener in it and then it'll smoothen that all out. So I'll do that on the next video. Give me a thumbs up if you like.